shift of focus to West Bengal. We're getting some breaking news there as Bangladesh actor Firdaus Ahmed has been campaigning for Trinamool Congress for the second consecutive day today. It seems that the Election Commission has taken a strong note of it. EC officials are saying that there's a need to look at his visa entries as well. Election Commission will be looking into the visa limits and permits. Shanta Shree is live with us as we break these details. I remember a while back, okay, she's going to be with us to get us more information because she's breaking these leads. A while back, BJP in Kolkata also did that presser a while back where they have asked Mamata Banerjee to explain why she's trying to rope in Bangladeshi actors for campaigning for Trinamool in 2019. Does she not have confidence enough in the TMC cadre to campaign for her? And now Shanta Shree, I'm being told, is live with us. Shanta Shree, so is this going to be a serious trouble for TMC? And also, what are your sources telling you? To what extent has Mamata Banerjee violated Model Code of Conduct by roping in actors from a different country, from a neighboring country?
That is taking place.
We know that there's a huge breaking that is taking place, that EC official is going to look into the visa and permit of Firdaus Ahmed. As we all know that he had been given a business visa, and based on this, BJP delegation had gone to the West Bengal CEO office and said that on business visa he cannot use this visa permit to campaign for a political party. So this is a clear violation of Model Code of Conduct, and considering that particular complaint, Election Commission is going to look into the matter. And this is not the first time that he has done this. He had also campaigned previously for Madan Mitra as well. And today again for the second day, he had been campaigning in Raiganj constituency of Lok Sabha of West Bengal. So clearly shows that TMC is using other people from across the countries to come over here, misuse their visa and campaign for their particular party. So clearly Election Commission is taking a step towards it and is going to look into the entire visa permit and also the base on which he has got the visa and why did he violate the Model Code of Conduct.
Yes, Shanta Shree, this is important. You know, you've covered first phase of polls in West Bengal as well. This could clearly not be an isolated incident if norms and procedures were flouted by some of these Bangladeshi actors. Well, this one is about Firdaus. And what are your sources telling you in EC? Could there be similar cases? All these actors that TMC has roped in, there's going to be a check on them, their visas, their permits?
Definitely, as we all know that if this particular case to be seen, then Firdaus Ahmed has definitely violated the Model Code of Conduct by misusing his business visa. And you cannot use your business visa to campaign for other countries when the election season is there. So this is going to be a violation of Model Code of Conduct, and Election Commission official has spoken to me and has said that yes, we are looking into it and there will be a notice issued as soon as possible. But right now they have asked for a report. As soon as the report is submitted, they will be issuing the next step of action to be taken against Firdaus Ahmed.
Yes, now he's clearly under Election Commission's lens. We're talking about Bangladeshi actor Firdaus Ahmed. Shanta Shree, requesting you to stay with us. In fact, let's listen into what's his version about being roped in to campaign for Mamata Banerjee.
देखिए, ममता बनर्जी देश की कानून नहीं मानती हैं, इसीलिए सीबीआई को अरेस्ट करते हैं और वह कस्टम्स को धमकाते हैं। जब वोटर की कम हो जाता है, इन्फिल्ट्रेटर और रोहिंगा को ले आते हैं। आज स्टार प्रचारक की कम हो गई तो वहाँ से किसी सेलिब्रिटी को बांग्लादेश से ले आते हैं। मुझे लगता है कि कल भी इमरान खान को ला सकते हैं, लेकिन इस प्रकार पॉलिटिक्स नहीं चलेगी। जो यहाँ आकर के राजनीतिक गतिविधि कर रहा है उसका अरेस्ट होना चाहिए। पिनल कोड, इंडिया के पिनल कोड के आधार पर उसका विचार होना चाहिए, क्योंकि ये कतई हम इसको समर्थन नहीं कर सकते हैं। इसका हम कम्प्लेन करेंगे। देखो, बांग्लादेश থেকে কোনো একজন অ্যাক্টরকে নিয়ে এসে এখানে প্রচার করা হচ্ছে, এটা ভারতবর্ষের যে স্বাভিমান সার্বভৌম তাতে আঘাত করা হচ্ছে। মমতা ব্যানার্জি স্টাইল আছে ভারতের সংবিধানকে না মানার, কোর্ট না মানার, তাই উনি রোহিঙ্গা নিয়ে আসছেন, অনুপ্রবেশকারী নিয়ে আসছেন, কাস্টমসকে ধমকাচ্ছেন এবং সিবিআইকে অ্যারেস্ট করছেন। খুব চিন্তাজনক স্থিতি, পশ্চিমবঙ্গকে পশ্চিম বাংলাদেশ বানানোর চক্রান্ত চলছে।
जब भी कोई विदेशी नागरिक हमारे यहाँ आता है तो उसको पर्पस बताना पड़ता है कि किस पर्पस के लिए आ रहा है। मुझे लगता है कि इस प्रकार घुसपैठिए की तरह कोई भी, जिस प्रकार बांग्लादेश के घुसपैठिए आ रहे हैं, उसी प्रकार वहाँ के यदि आर्टिस्ट भी आकर टीएमसी का प्रचार करेंगे तो मैं समझता हूँ ये एक अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मर्यादाओं का भी उल्लंघन है और इसकी मैं निंदा करता हूँ। मैं इसमें शर्म की बात यह है कि ममता जी के पास हमारे देश में कोई ऐसा व्यक्ति नहीं है जो टीएमसी का काम कर सके, इसलिए बांग्लादेश के कलाकारों को बुलाने के लिए समर्थन जुटाने का जो प्रयास कर रही है, इससे अंदाज लगता है कि उनकी ज़मीन अब खिसक चुकी है।